Welcome to a short tutorial on how to insert patient information in iQ-WEB RIS. As front desk staff, I want to insert pregnancy, notes, alerts, and allergies information to have this information accessible to other staff. For doing this task, I will go to Schedule tab and Orders tab and open a patient file using double-click. Add pregnancy due date in order level customized field. Press the Save button. Confirmation message is displayed and change is stored. Open a patient file using double-click. Go to Notes tab and create a new entry with +New button. Click the Save button. Click on Edit button and go to Medical History tab. Add alerts and allergies. Press the Save button. Confirmation message is displayed and change is stored. Thank you for your attention.